Hey guys, what's up? I'm back again with another video, guys. So we're on the river today, guys. We call Nasty Davis, them call the river. So yeah man, we're out here today. Right now we're gonna meet up with Africa and his wife. It's Maria. So we just wait for them now. Well, we just wait for them now until them reach. So this is
Chica de la Isla Maria.
and this is
You know what
everybody does.
Island boy Africa, you see me?
And this is
Little island.
Yeah, they make me
Hello.
excited.
yeah. Hey guys, so inside. Yeah guys, so this is how the chicken looks for now, because you know it's a steam and thing, guys, so I want it to be perfectly done. So I'm gonna just give them a few turns so they're not stick in the container. Shadow is blocking everything.
Wagwan, beautiful people, and welcome to the island family.
You know the vibes.
This is your girl Maria
And the island boy Africa, eh?
and little island boy.
Yesterday.
So today, guys, you've just seen the preview.
Yeah.
So we're just sending you over to NJ Vlogs. Go and subscribe to him. Go watch his content. We've just done a collab with him.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, he just dropped this video, guys, and this is just a little preview, a little taste. You see me? It's a collab video. Yeah, man. So this was at Rio Grande. You see me? So go check it out, guys, and please show him some love. Let him know that the island family sent you.
yeah.
Yeah, man. So let's go now.
All right, let's go.
Yeah, man. Blessings.
Let's.